work or job. Ego, before. Aim, target. Always, ever. Answer, reply. As, donkey. Award, prize. Baby, child. Back, behind. Bad, evil or wicked. Beast, animal. Begin, start. Beside, by. Big, large. Blank, gap. Brave, bold. Bring, fetch. Build, construct. Bull, ox. Burden, load. Buy, purchase. Captain, skipper. Carry, bear. Check, examine. City, town. Clever, intelligent. Collect, gather. Corner, nook. Correct, right. Cruel, unkind. Cry, weep. Cut, fell. Dead, father. Daily, everyday. Dam, dike. Death, demise. Did, work. Dense, thick. Die, expire. Dirty, unclean. Drama, play. Draw, sketch. Dress, garment. Dumb, mute. Dusk, twilight. Easy, simple. Empty, vacant. Enemy, foe. Enough, sufficient. Error, mistake. Escape, flee. Even, smooth. Event, incident. Example, instance. Excuse, pardon. False, untrue. Famous, renowned. Far, distant. Fast, quick. Favorite, dear. Fair, fright. Field, ground. Film, movie. Find, detect. Finish, end. Fit, suitable. Foam, surf. Fog, mist. Force, power. Foreign, alien. Forest, jungle. Form, shape. Free, independent. Function, activity. Game, sport. General, common. Get, receive. Ghost, phantom. Gift, present. Glad, delighted. Gum, glue. Happen, occur. Hard, steep. Hear, listen. Heaven, paradise. Hide, conceal. High, lofty. Hit, strike. Hog, bore. Holy, sacred. Honor, respect. Hot, warm. Huge, large. Idea, notion. Idiot, fool. idle, lazy, ill, sick, infant, baby, influence, impact, injure, wound, insect, worm, instruction, direction, instrument, tool, intimate, clause, introduction, preface, job, service, join, attend, journey, travel, joy, delight, jump, leap, just, right, keep, put, kid, child, kill, slay, kind, merciful, king, monarch, link, connection, little, teeny, lord, master, lorry, truck, luck, fortune, mad, insane, mail, letter, main, chief, mark, sign, marriage, wedding, melt, dissolve, merchant, trader, merit, talent, method, system, mill, factory, near, close, nice, lovely, noble, great, oral, verbal, order, command, ordinary, common, over, above, pale, pair, couple, pot, way, person, philo, pillar, column, pity, mercy, place, site, plan, scheme, plate, dish, please, kindly, polite, gentle, pond, tank, price, admiration, pretty, attractive, price, coast, prison, jail, private, personal, procession, rally, produce, grow, profession, occupation,